Hi, want to convert any image to 3D texture in Blender? Let's get started. First, download your image. For example, wall texture. Make sure your image has enough quality and size. Press Shift A and add a plane. Click on the plane and for material, click on New. In the base color, select Image Texture. Select the downloaded image to use on this plane. Increase the roughness to maximum and increase the metallic to 0.9. Open your browser and search for normal map online. Open this website. I will put the link of this website in the description. Click here on Select Files and select that image that you downloaded. Click here on the displacement, then click on Download. Our displacement map is downloaded. Now open Blender. You can see the picture is not 3D yet. We want to give this picture displacement to make it more realistic. Click on Modifiers, then add a new modifier and search for Subdivision Surface. Select Simple and increase levels to 6, depends on your computer. Then click on Add Modifier again and search for Displace. You have to do this in order. From here, click on New and click on this part and select Open and set the type on Image or Movie. Now click Open and choose that displacement map that website created for you. You can see the displacement is so strong, you need to decrease it. Go to Modifiers and in the Displace modifier, decrease the strength. Increase the subdivision to 10 and let's see if we get a good result. Make it 15. Increase the strength again. You can see we have so many sharp points on the texture, so we need to add another modifier. Click on Add Modifier and search for Smooth Corrective. Increase the repeat number and right click on the mesh and click on Shade Smooth. It's better now. Okay, I decreased the number of subdivisions and this is the result. If you want to get better result, you must download displacement map from Polyhaven, which I show you in next videos. You will have far better results. Okay, stay tuned. I will see you in next videos. Thanks for watching.